Filing a bond claim can feel overwhelming, but this video breaks down how to navigate the process efficiently with State Farm. First, knowing you need to file a bond claim is the initial step. Bonds, or surety bonds, protect you from loss caused by another party. Typically in a business context, ensure your situation qualifies under the bond's specific terms and conditions. Gather crucial documents. You'll need the original bond document, any contracts or agreements related to the claim, and documentation proving the loss you've incurred, like invoices, receipts, or court orders. The more evidence you provide, the stronger your case. Next, contact State Farm as soon as possible. You need to notify State Farm of the claim immediately. You can do this by either calling the State Farm claims number or visiting their website to access the claim form. This begins the official claims process. Carefully complete and submit the claim form. This involves providing detailed information about the claim, including the bond number, the parties involved, and a clear explanation of the loss. Make sure every field is filled out accurately. Finally, State Farm will investigate your claim. This may involve requesting additional information or conducting an independent investigation. Be patient and responsive to their requests. Claims processing times can vary. Keep records of all communications and documents exchanged.